Life in Ugboma, LGA. What Nigerian police cost. It's very, very unfortunate. This is Ugboma life. As you can see, Ugboma is on fire. Ugboma police station has set ablaze. Ugboma local government has set ablaze by unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen stormed Isinweke, Ugboma. They set everywhere ablaze because of one of the youths that was killed by Nigerian police. This is one of the cars. You can see as a car is being burned. Ugboma on fire. Ugboma LGA headquarters on fire. Police station has gone down. Local government headquarters has gone down. Caused by Nigerian police. Caused by the DPO. DPO Nigerian police took his men to Umunne community and killed one of the youths after killing the sister to the young guy in the shot death. As you can see, unknown gunmen storming Ugboma. They said the local government headquarters are ablaze. They said the police station are ablaze. As you can see, Ugboma local government is on fire. This is one of the cars. As you can see, these men are very, very angry. Go to Isinweke. Ugboma is very, very hot this afternoon. Unknown gunmen came in numbers with heavy arms, with 2 or 3 different cars. They came and set Ugboma on blaze. Ugboma on fire. DPO Ugboma has done his worst. The DPO on the Ugboma local government, known as Charles Njoko, took his boys to Umunne and killed one of the youths. Ugboma local government headquarters is on fire. Police station has gone down. As if that one is not enough, Nigerian police still came and start shooting the unarmed youths of Ugboma. They start shooting them. Yeah, not the police station car be this, so though some of their cars has gone down. If you go to local government is on fire as I'm talking to you now. Police station Isinweke has gone down already. The worst is that we don't have police. Last week, kidnappers came and kidnapped 2 people in Ugboma. The police ran away. The police, we are at the spot where these guys were kidnapped. They ran away. Ugboma is on fire. Go to local government. The High Court, Akwashara High Court, Tinioko, police station Ugboma has gone down already. The Inspector General of Police, we have to make sure he arrests the DPO of Ugboma local government, Charles Njoko, from Owerri, to be precise, or G to be precise. He was the person who took his men to Umunne where they shot a young guy who were asking them, why did you people kill my sister? After killing his sister, they still killed the young man. The Bet Niger guy, the youth will still storm his house soon. Ugboma is on fire. This is one of the cars. The unknown gunmen, they came and set so many cars ablaze here. Ugboma local government is on fire. The police station has gone down. Isinweke market just shut down immediately. It's better we close the police station. For the fact that DPO under his reign, we are having insecurity in Ugboma. Under the reign of Charles Njoko, being the police, DPO Ihite Ugboma Ihite division. Under his reign, we have had so many insecurity. Uchechi, our sister, was killed from Amakoya. 2 people were kidnapped here in Ugboma. Last year, still under his reign, a woman was killed in Umucha Kolowa. So many things has been happening here under his reign. We don't need him again. The young policeman is evil. The DPO is evil. As you can see, Ihite is on fire. Isinweke market has shut down. Everybody has gone home. Unknown gunmen storm Isinweke, shooting radically everywhere. They are shooting, but they didn't harm anybody. They said they came because of the young guy that was killed last night. The non-gunmen said, and I repeat, they came because of the guy that was shot by police. That's the reason why they came. They are not coming to harm anybody. Hello? So what? Those guys are lala. Yeah, I want a APC motor hamaroko, motor achi. APC car hamaroko, motor achi Christ achi. How about a motor yoko? Because of APC logo. How about the motor yoko? So I am going over so they are not here to hurt anybody. Now these guys are heavily armed. Bullet. Heavily armed. I think I have 3 information now. Police are police. Police station he lost police. Anyhow, they got information that they were police Benaba and interrupt police station about Konya Kobiao. Now with information on you, Bronya Kobia. Mbakao, because I said the police about how because this man the radio. I come on that for the fact of 1 year. For the fact of 1 year, they were busy discussing with the crowd. They were laughing, playing with the crowd here. So I sent the any troop here. Because they send that troop, people will still invite them back here. They are ready. How they were armed. So one man, for instance, not so many cars are in the police station, 1 jeep will go. As I'm talking to you now, I'm live. Moto Siana here now. Nime local government, V-boot never here now, and that V-boot will walk till some houses or could now. So the issue who we do that one. You see, the police gave people reason to laugh at them. People were happy seeing this thing, Megan. Now that's one funny thing. People were happy seeing what is happening now. Because on your if we are getting, on your here alive, if we are getting, that's one funny thing. The police in Baburia, how also before China boy they left police station. That means it was an intentional act. The DPO Charles in Joko after Hamabru the boy. Hanine they left police station, vitiated their property, which we have also. That means it was an intentional act. They are not giving people reason to be against them. That is just the truth. They are not, and the Hamabru boy no law. Who saw on a police station? No law the boy. Yes, sir. Okay. As you can see, how Isinweke Ugboma. Police station in Ugboma, Ihite division has set ablaze. Local government headquarters has set ablaze. So many things are happening here. Unknown gunmen storm Isinweke. Nobody knows them. They said so many things ablaze. They said they came because of the young man that was killed last night by Nigerian police, led by the DPO, Charles Njoko. After killing the young man, the DPO carried all his men, they ran away. For you to know it's an intentional act. How can you kill a youth and run away with your men? They carried all the arms in police station and run away. So you can see the police is giving people reason to be against them. See, the police is giving people reason to work against them. The Inspector General of Police, the Commissioner of Police to see this. But one mistake they will do, nobody should send any police or any army to Ihite Ugboma. Because these men are already here. Unknown gunmen are here. They shouldn't send anybody here. What the CP will do. What the CP will do. What the CP will do and the Inspector General of Police, they shouldn't send any troop here. They shouldn't send any troop to Ihite Ugboma, because there is well-armed men here in Ihite Ugboma, and the youth is very, very angry. Both the youth of Ihite Ugboma, they are very angry. 2 of their youth is down, killed by Nigerian police, a TT division, led by DPO Charles Njoku, who just ran away with his men as I'm talking to you now.